Understanding, ticking like a clock. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English expression, ticking like a clock. This phrase is not just about timepieces but carries a deeper meaning in various contexts. Let's explore its significance and how you can use it effectively in English conversations. Firstly, let's break down the literal meaning. A clock is known for its steady, rhythmic ticking sound as it measures time. Each tick represents a second, a consistent and reliable progression. So, when something is ticking like a clock, it's operating smoothly and predictably, without any surprises. Moving beyond the literal, this phrase is often used metaphorically. In different scenarios, ticking like a clock can suggest reliability. Just as you can depend on a clock to keep time, a person or process described this way is trustworthy and dependable. Consistency. It implies something is functioning with regularity, much like the unchanging rhythm of a clock. Impending action. Sometimes, it suggests something is about to happen, akin to the countdown of a clock. To help you grasp its usage better, let's look at some examples. 1. The project is ticking like a clock, with every team member knowing exactly what to do. Here, it highlights the smooth and efficient progress of a project. 2. He's been ticking like a clock for years, never missing a day of work. This sentence emphasizes someone's reliability and consistency. 3. With the deadline approaching, the team felt the pressure ticking like a clock. In this case, it signifies the increasing tension and the looming deadline. Understanding the phrase, ticking like a clock, can add depth to your conversations and writing. It's a testament to the richness of the English language, where everyday objects like a clock can inspire expressions with layered meanings. We hope this video helps you appreciate and use this phrase more confidently. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content.